Now the question is, the average of 8 numbers is 20. From these numbers, the average of first 3 numbers is 15 and the next 2 numbers is 25. If the sixth number is 4 less than that of 7th number and 7 less than that of 8th number, then what is the last number? Now they have given the 8 numbers average. Out of this they have given some conditions. The average of first 3 numbers is 15 and the next 2 numbers is 25, and some conditions related to 6th number, and then they ask to find what is the last number. Now I will explain this problem with the basic method. After that I will tell you how to write directly. Okay. First basic method. Total how many numbers are there? 8 numbers are there. The average of 8 numbers is 20. So I am taking these 8 numbers as, let us say, A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are the 8 numbers I am taking. I am taking 8 numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. These are the 8 numbers. So what is given? The average of 8 numbers is 20. So average is 20. Average means, what is average? Average means sum of observations by number of observations. So this is nothing but sum. I am summing these numbers and I am dividing by 8. So if I divide it by 8, what will get? Average is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations is equal to average. They are given the average of 8 numbers is 20. Now what I will do? So I will find the sum of these numbers. Sum of these numbers is I will cross multiply this 8 this side. So directly I am writing. I will come here and write directly. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus E plus J is equal to 8. So sum of the 8 numbers is 20 into 8. Now they have given the condition that from these 8 numbers, the average of first 3 numbers is 15. So first 3 numbers average is 15. So what will be the sum? Sum is nothing but average into number of observations. Here average is 15 and number of observations is 3. So first 3 sum will become 15 into 3. Okay. So I am writing here A plus B plus C as 15 into 3. First 3 numbers. The average of first 3 numbers is 15. So sum of first 3 numbers is average into number of observations, that is 15 into 3. And next 2 numbers is 25. So and the average of first 3 numbers is 15 and next 2 numbers average is 25. So next 2 numbers average is 25 means what will be the sum? Sum is nothing but average into number of observations. So average is 25. So 25 into 2. So next 2 numbers sum is 25 into 2. Okay. So for sum of first 3 numbers and next 2 numbers. This is sum. Next they have given the condition that if the sixth number is 4 less than that of 7th number. They have given sixth number is 4 less than that of 7th number. So what I am taking, let us say I am taking the sixth number as, so I am taking sixth number as x, and what I am taking sixth number as x. Now what the condition they have given? If the sixth number is 4 less than that of 7th number. If sixth number is x, then what will be 7th number? If the sixth number is 4 less than that of 7th number means, then 7th number will become 4 greater than the 6th number. See this. So I am taking here sixth number is the sixth number is 4 less than that of 7th number. So sixth number is 4. So sixth number is what I am taking. Sixth number is equal to what is given? Sixth number is equal to 4 less than that of 7th number. From the 7th number, if you subtract 4, then it will become the 6th number. For example, let us say I am taking sixth number is 10. If sixth number is 10, then what will be the 7th number? So 7th number. Sixth number is 4 less than that of the 7th number. So what you will take? Let us say sixth number is 4. So what will become 7th number? Sixth number is 4 less than the 7th number minus 4. So 7th number is 7th number is 10 plus 4. So 7th number is 14. 7th number will become 14. Okay, 6th number is 10, 7th number is 14. 6th number is 10, 7th number is 14. That means 6th number is 4 less than that of 7th number. 6th number is 4 less than that of 7th number. So I am writing the condition. 6th number is equal to 7th number minus 4. 6th number is 4 less than that of 7th number. So instead of writing like this, directly I will take like this. So I am taking 6th number as x. So 7th number will be 6th number is equal to 4 less than 7th number. So 6th number x, 7th number will be x plus 4 will be 7th number. X plus 4 will be 7th number. So instead of doing all these things, you can directly understand this. If sixth number is 4 less than that of seventh number, then seventh number automatically becomes 4 greater than sixth number. So I am taking this sixth number as x, then seventh number becomes 4 greater than sixth number, that is x plus 4. Next h, and 7 less than that of eighth number. And means it is a continuation statement. Sixth number is 7 less than that of eighth number. If sixth number is 7 less than that of eighth number means then eighth number becomes 7 greater than the sixth number. Eighth number becomes 7 greater than the sixth number. 7 greater than the sixth number. Sixth number is x, eighth number will be 7 greater than the sixth number. So this value is equal to 20 into 8 will be 160. So if I sum all the, if I solve this, 15 3 is 45, 25 2 is 50, plus x is nothing but 3x, plus 7 plus 4 11 is nothing but 160. Okay, 45 plus 50 is nothing but 95, 45 plus 50 95, 95 plus 11 it is nothing but 106, 106 plus 3x is equal to 160, 106 plus 3x is equal to 160. So I am finding x, what is x value? 160 minus 106. So 3x value will be 54, then x value will be, what will be the x value, sir? X value will be 54 by 3, 54 by 3. So it is nothing but 3 1s are 3, so remainder to 3 8s are. So x value is 8. So x is 18. Now what is x? X is the sixth number. What is asked in the question? Then what is the last number? So what is the last number? Last number is nothing but x plus 7. So last number is nothing but x plus 7. So last number is x plus 7, that is 18 plus 7. So last number is 20. Okay. So this is important. If the sixth number is 4 less than the seventh number, if one number is less than this other number, then other number will be 4 greater than the first number. Okay. I am taking sixth number as x. If this is 4 less than the seventh number, then seventh number will be 4 greater than the sixth number. That you should understand. This I have explained here. Okay. This is the basic method to solve this problem. So I will also teach you how to do this problem directly. Okay. Now see this, for the same question I will do one more method. It will reduce calculations. See here, the average of 8 numbers is 20. Average of 8 numbers is 20 they have given, and they have given the average of first 3 numbers is 50. Now see this first 3 numbers, out of these 8 numbers, the average of first 3 numbers is 15 and next 2 numbers is 25. They have given this. So what I will do is, it's like a compensation. Now see this first 3 numbers is 15. Now out of these 8 numbers, the first 3 numbers is 15. Now in this first 3 numbers, what is the average? Average is 15. Your total average is 20. So now this average is how much less? It is less by 5. Total average is 20. 3 numbers average is less. How much it is less? 5. If it is less, you take minus value. Okay, minus. How much it is less? 5. So I am taking minus 5 into how many? For how many numbers this is? 3 numbers. Okay, I have written 3 numbers. Okay, next, and the next 2 numbers average is 25. They have given the next 2 numbers average is 25. So total average is 20. Total average is 20, and 2 numbers average is 25. That means how much it is greater than total average? It is greater than by 5. It is 20. This is 5. So it is greater by 5. So if it is greater, you take plus. Plus how much it is greater? 5. Into for how many numbers? For 2 numbers. First 3 numbers, its average is only 15. So it is less. That's why I am taking minus. How much it is less? 20 and 15. So less is 5. So 5 for how many numbers? Into 3. Here how much it is greater? 5 for how many numbers? Into 2. Total how many numbers completed? 3 plus 2. Total 5 numbers completed. Next I am taking 6th number. So what I have to 6th number? X. I am taking 6th number x. And they have given the condition if the 6th number is 4 less than that of 7th number. If 6th number is 4 less than that of 7th number, then 7th number will be 4 greater than 6th number. 6th number is x. 7th number will be how much it is greater? 4 greater. So 4 plus x. 7th number will be, if this number is 4 less than that of that number, then 7th number will be 4 greater than this of 4 greater than 6th number. And 6th number is 7 less than that of 8th number. If 6th number is 7 less than that of 8th number, then 8th number will be 7 more than the 6th number. So 8th number will be 7 more than the 6th number. 6th number is x, so 7 more than the 8th number. Okay. So what I have taken? I have taken this first number. This is 3 numbers, 2 numbers 5, 6 number, 7th number, and 8th number. and they have given the average of 8 numbers is 20. So total average how much it is there of 8 numbers is 20. So out of this we have compensated 3 numbers here, 2 numbers here. Total how many numbers we have compensated average? 5 numbers. Remaining how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. That numbers average will be, total average is 20, average of the numbers is 20. So the only 5 numbers we have compensated here. So remaining is 3 numbers, so I multiply with only 3. Some calculations is reduced. What I have done here, 3 numbers average is here is given. So here I compensated 3 numbers average, here 2 numbers average, 6 numbers, 7 number, 8 number. Total 5 numbers average I compensated. So remaining only 3 numbers are there, that's why I am multiplying with 3. Suppose remaining 5 numbers will be there, then I will multiply with 5 total average. So now I will simplify this. 5 3 is 15, it is minus 15. This is 5 2 is 10 plus 10. So minus 15 plus 10 will become minus 5. Plus x plus x plus x, 3x. Plus 7 plus 4, 11 is equal to 23 is 60. This will become 3x is equal to what will be 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is nothing but 6. Okay, 11 minus 5 is nothing but plus 6. So here the plus 6 will go to that side, it will become 60 minus 6. So 3x value is nothing but 54, x value will be nothing but 18. X value will be nothing but 18. 3x is 54, x is 18. X is nothing but 6th number. X is nothing but 6th number. What is asked in the question? What is the last number? So last number is 8th number, that is nothing but 7 plus x. So last number is 7 plus x, that is nothing but 7 plus 18 is nothing but 25. Okay. So some calculations is reduced. What I did? So this is important series. The average 20 numbers is given. First 3 numbers average is 15. So what I am doing? How much average is less? 5. So I am taking minus 5. If it is less, you take minus 5. If it is less, you take minus. If it is more, you take plus. Here less minus. How much it is less? 5. For how many numbers? 3 numbers. Next average is 2 numbers is 25. It is greater, that's why I took plus. How much it is greater? 20, 25 is greater, 5. So I took 5 into for how many numbers? 2 numbers. Total 5 numbers compensation is done. Next remaining 6 number, I have written 6 number as x. 7th number as, if it is 4 less than that of 7th number, so I am taking 7th number as 4 greater than the 6th number. And 7 less than means 7 greater than the 8th number. So total 8 numbers. So here what I am taking, I am not taking total average because already 5 numbers average is compensated here. Remaining 3 numbers are there, so average 20 into only 3 numbers. So if I solve this, I am getting x as 18 value and last number as 25 value. Okay, we'll do one more problem on this so that if you don't understand this also in the next problem, whatever the doubts is there, that doubts will be rectified. Okay. So next question, same model. The average of 20 numbers is 12. If the average of first 12 numbers is 11 and the average of next 7 numbers is 10, then find out the last number. Okay, I'll tell you 2 methods for this problem also. The average 20 numbers is 12. If the average of first 12 numbers is 11 and the average of next 7 numbers is 10, then find out the last number. So we know that the average is given. Can I find sum? So total how many numbers are there? Total 20 numbers are there. Out of these 20 numbers, first 12 numbers average is 11. So first 12 numbers average is 11. That means can I write sum as? Sum is nothing but average into number of observations. Average is 11 and number of observations is 12. So first 12 numbers sum is 12 into 12. Okay. Next plus 12 numbers sum is completed and average of next 7 numbers is 10. So average is 10. Number of observations is 7. So next 7 numbers sum is nothing but 10 into 7. Average into number of observations. Okay. Total how many numbers completed? Total 12 numbers and 7 numbers. 19 numbers completed. So remaining how many numbers? Only one number is there because I am taking here sum. Total 20 numbers are there. 11 numbers sum is nothing but 12 into 11 and next to 10 into 7. Next remaining number I am taking x. Total 20 numbers. I am taking sum of all the sum of these 20 numbers. So sum of these 20 numbers is nothing but sum of 20 numbers is how much? Average is 12, sum is nothing, observations is 20. So sum will be 20 into 12. From here I will find the x. X is nothing but the last number. This is nothing but 12, 11 is up. So how much 12, 11 is nothing but 132 plus 10, 7 is 70 plus x is nothing but 20, 12 is up. So what is the value? What is 20 into 12? So that is nothing but 240. Okay, from here I will find x. X value is nothing but 240. X value is nothing but 240 minus 132 plus 70. 132 plus 70 is nothing but 202 minus 202. So what I am getting x value is 38. So what is the x value? What is the last number? The last number is 38. Okay. So I am taking the total average is given 12 for 20 numbers. Average of first 12 numbers is 11. So I am taking sum 12 into 11, and the next 7 numbers average is 10. I am taking sum 10 into 7 plus x total. Total how many numbers are completed? 12 plus 7 19 plus x total 20. 20 number sum is this. So I am also equating to sum of 20 numbers. Average into number of observations is nothing but 20 into 12, that is sum. So from here I am getting x. This is the basic method. So I will solve this problem also in direct method. How to do this problem directly. So what I will do is I will do it here. So I will write this and I will do it here. So directly how I will do? See this. Now here average of 20 numbers is 12. Average of 20 numbers is 12. If the average of first 12 numbers is 11. How many numbers average? 12 numbers average is 11. So total average is 12. Out of this first 12 numbers average is 11. That means for this 12 numbers average is 11. From the total average how much it is less? Total average is 12. First 12 numbers average is 11. So how much it is less? 1 is less. So less means you have to write minus. How much it is less? 1. For how many numbers? For 12 numbers. I am multiplying with 2. Total average 12. First 12 numbers average is 11. So how much is less from the total average? It is less by 1. For how many numbers? 12 numbers. Okay. Next. And the average of next to 7 numbers is 10. So next to 7 numbers average is how much? 10. This average is 10. Total average is 12. So how much it is less? It is less. This is 12. This is 10. It is less. How much it is less? 2. So less means I am taking minus 2. How much it is less? 2 into for how many numbers? For 7 numbers. Okay. For 7 numbers. 7. Okay. Minus 1 into 12 minus 2 into 7. Total 12 numbers plus 7 numbers. 19 numbers are completed. So total numbers are 20. How many numbers are complete? 19 numbers. So I am taking last number as x. Last number as x. This is the sum. Now this sum is equal to, you have to equate to sum. So total sum, what will be the sum? Sum is nothing but 20 numbers. 20 into 12. This is the sum. So out of this, we have compensated for 12 numbers, that sum. Here 7 numbers. Total 19 numbers sum is compensated. So remaining how many numbers are there? Only one number. So I am writing that one number sum as 1 into 12. So 1 number as 1 into 12. Suppose if you get 2 numbers here, then you will multiply 2 into 12. Suppose if you get 3 numbers, 3 into 12. So 1 into average. Because here 12 numbers average is compensated, here 7 numbers average is compensated, and remaining 1 number, that number I am writing here. So this value is nothing but minus 12 minus 14. So minus 12 minus 14 is nothing but minus 26 plus x is equal to 12. Minus 14 minus 12 minus 26 plus x is equal to 12. The next value is nothing but 12 plus 26. This value is nothing but 38. So what is the last number? The last number value is 38. Okay, I hope you understood this. What I have did, see once again I will explain this. The average of 20 numbers is 12. So total 20 numbers are there. Out of this, average is given as 12. Out of this 20 numbers, first 12 numbers average is 11. So first 12 numbers average is 11. So I will compare with total average. Total average is 12. First 12 numbers average is 11. So it is less. How much it is less? This is 12. This is 11. This is less by 1. I am taking minus. If it is less means you have to take minus. How much it is less? 1. So for how many numbers? Into 12. Next 7 numbers average is 10. So this is 10, this is 12. So this is also less. I am taking minus. How much it is less? This is 12, this is 10. This is less by 2. So I am writing 2. For how many numbers? For 7 numbers. Okay. 12 numbers completed, 7 numbers. Total 19 numbers average compensated. Remaining how many numbers are there? 1 number, because total numbers are 20. So 1 number I am taking, I don't know that number, I am taking x. So this sum should be equal to total sum. What is total sum? Out of total sum is average is given, numbers is given. 12 into 20 into 12, this is the total sum. Out of this total sum, already here 12 numbers is compensated, 7 numbers compensated. Remaining only 1 number, that 1 number into average. What is that? 1 number into 12. From here I am getting, if I solve this, I am getting x. That is the last number as 38. Okay? I hope you understood this. You can follow that method or this method. Now, coming to the next question is, the average of 11 numbers is 10.8. If the average of first 6 numbers is 10.4 and average of last 6 numbers is 11.5. Then find out the middle number. They have given the average of 11 numbers as given 10.8. Out of this 10.8, average of first 6 numbers is 10.4 and average of last 6 numbers is 11.5. They asked to find the middle number. So first I will tell you the basic method, then I will tell you how to write directly. Okay. So have the total how many numbers are there? Total 11 numbers are there. So now see this, whenever total numbers are 11, but they have given here how many numbers? First 6 numbers and last 6 numbers. So total how many it is? This 6 plus this 6, this 6 plus this 6 are 12. Whenever they out of this total numbers, if these numbers are greater, then I will tell you how to do that directly. See this? So I am taking this 11 numbers as, let us say I am taking A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K. So these are the 11 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I am taking the average of 11 numbers. So average is given 10.8. So average is given 10.8. Now what is the sum? Sum is nothing but average into number of observations. This is average. Number of observations is 10.8 into 11. This is the sum. So I am taking sum of these 11 numbers. Sum of first number, second number, sum is nothing but average into number of observations. That is nothing but 10.8 into 11. So that is nothing but 10.8 into 11. That is the sum. Now what they have given? So I will simplify this value also. 10.8 into 11. What is this value? 10.8 into 10. 108. 108 plus nothing but 108 plus 10.8 is nothing but 118.8. Okay. So 10.8 into 11 is nothing but 118.8. Now what they have given is the average of first 6 numbers. So I am taking first 6 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the first 6 numbers. The average of first 6 numbers is 10.4. So average of first 6 numbers is 10.4. Now what will be the sum? So I am taking sum of first 6 numbers. Sum is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus sum. Sum is nothing but average into number of observations. So average into number of observations. So first 6 numbers sum is nothing but 10.4 into 6. So 10.4 into 6. What is this value? This is nothing but 600, 624. So 62.4. This value is nothing but 62.4. Sum of first 6 numbers. Okay, that is the sum. And the average of last 6 numbers is 11.5. So they have given average of last 6 numbers. So what is the last 6 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last 6 numbers is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Their average is given. So I am taking sum of last 6 numbers. That is nothing but F, G, H, I, J, K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So last 6 numbers average is given as, what is the average as last 6 numbers average is given 11.5. Now what will be the sum? Sum is nothing but average into number of observations. So average into number of observations is nothing but sum. So what is the sum? So 11.5 average into number of observations. So number of observations is 6. So 11.5 into 6. So what is the value of 11.5 into 6? So 11 6 is 66 plus 0.5 30. So this is nothing but 16. Okay. So next is what is the sum of the last 6 numbers is sum. Now this total 11 number sum is 118.8. First 6 number sum is 62.4. Last 6 number sum is 69. Now they ask to find the middle number. So what I will do is, now I will add these 2 numbers. Okay. A plus B plus C plus D plus C plus F plus G plus H plus I plus J plus K. So I will add this total numbers. Total is 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total is 12 numbers. If I add these numbers, what you will get? 62.4 plus 69. So what you will get here? Sum is nothing but 0.4. Okay. 9 plus 2, 11. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1. So it is nothing but 131.4. So sum of these numbers is 131.4. Now what I will do is, I will subtract these numbers from these numbers. So these numbers. So what is there? A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H plus I plus J value is nothing but 131.4. From this I will subtract these numbers. So what will get subtracted? A minus A. This A gets cancelled. B minus B. C minus C. D minus D. E minus E. F minus F. Next to G minus G. H minus H. I minus I. J minus J, K k minus k, everything get cancelled. So what will remember? Only one f, because here f plus f, two f's are there. Here only one f get cancelled. F will be remaining. Fp value is nothing but this minus this. That is nothing but 131.4 minus 180.8. That value is nothing but 131 minus 131.4 minus 118.8 is nothing but 12.6. Okay. So this is the middle number. What is the middle number? Middle number value is nothing but 12.6. So what I have done is I have taken 11 numbers, then I found sum. So first 6 numbers I found sum, last 6 numbers I found sum. I added these 2 numbers, first total 12 numbers. Out of these 12 numbers I subtracted these numbers. Here f is repeated. So this every number will get cancelled, only f value will get. F value is nothing but this sum minus this sum. I am getting that f value. Okay. Whenever one number is repeated, directly you write like this. Whenever one number is repeated, then what you will do? The average of first 6 numbers is given, directly you write 6 into 10.4 first 6 numbers, and last 6 numbers you also add this last 6 numbers 6 into 11.5 minus this total sum. Total sum is how much? Total sum is nothing minus 10.8 into 11. If you solve this, directly you can get. Instead of doing all this, this is to understand. For understanding, I have taken all these 12 numbers. So instead of doing like this, directly you can write this first 6 numbers. If the number is repeated, total 11 numbers are there. Here 6 numbers and 6 numbers. That means one number has to be repeated. That is the middle number. So when numbers are repeated, so directly you take this sum. 6 numbers, average into 6, average into this observations, you will get this sum plus this sum minus total sum. Then directly you will get the middle number. Middle number value, that is directly you will get as 12.6. This is also one method. What I have done is same thing I have written here, but instead of taking ABCDs, directly I have taken direct values. Okay. This is for understanding. This is to write directly. So I will take one more method also for this problem. I will erase this and I will tell you one more method also. Start. Now for the same problem, I will tell you one more method. Same problem. The average of 11 numbers is 10.8. The average of first 6 numbers is 10.4, and the average of last 6 numbers is 11.5. Then find out the middle number. So I will tell you one more method. This method will be very useful. Directly you can write. See this. Now average of 11 numbers is how much they have given? 10.8. So 11 numbers average is given 10.8. Out of this, what they have given? The average of first 6 numbers is 10.4. What they have given? The average of first 6 numbers. First 6 numbers average is 10.4. So now what I will do is, now first initial average is how much? 10.8. So total average is 10.8. Okay. I am writing that 10.8 here. Now out of this, what they have given? The average of first 6 numbers is 10.4. Average of first 6 numbers is 10.4. Now see, this total average is 10.8. Now this average is only 10.4. Now this is 10.8. For 6 numbers, the average is 10.4. Is it less or more? It is less. 10.8. This is only 10.4. This is less. So less means I will take minus. How much it is less? 10.8. This is 10.4. This is less by 0.4. So I will write that 0.4. For how many numbers? For how many numbers? For 6 numbers. So I will multiply with 6. Okay. First I am taking total average here. Okay. Previous problem we have taken these 2 numbers this side and that average that side. But now what I am doing here in this problem, when numbers are repeated, here one number is repeated because total numbers are only 11. These 6 numbers and that 6 numbers, total 12 numbers. So numbers are repeated, you have to do like this directly. So average, what is the average? Total average 10.8. I have written 10.8 here. Next, the average of first 6 numbers is given. That is 10.4. Now this average is less than by this average. Okay, less. I have written less minus. How much it is less? This average is 10.8. This is 10.4. How much it is less? 0.4. I have written 0.4 into for how many numbers? 6 numbers. So multiplied with 6. Next. And the average of last 6 numbers. So average of last 6 numbers, what is the average? It is 11.5. So last 6 numbers average is 11.5. Total average is only 10.8. So is that average is greater or more? So is it greater or lesser? It is greater. Greater means I will write plus. How much it is greater? This is 10.8. That is only 11. That is 11.5. So how much it is greater? Here 0.2. There 0.5. Total 0.7. 11.5. Minus 10.8 is nothing but 0.7. So it is greater, I have written plus. So how much it is greater? 0.7. For how many numbers? For 6 numbers. I multiplied with 6. Okay, total average. So this is for 6 numbers, this average. And for next 6 numbers, I have written this. So this will be equal to middle value. Middle number or middle value. So I will solve this. 10.8 minus 0.4 into 6. That is nothing but 2.4 plus 0.7 into 6, it is nothing but 4.2 is middle value. if I solve this, 10.8 plus 4.2, so it is nothing but 15. 10.8 plus 4.2 is nothing but 15. 15 minus 2.4. So 15 minus 2.4, 15 minus 2.4 is nothing but 2.8. So middle value, sorry, 12.8. 15 minus 2.4 is nothing but 12.8. So middle value is, this is also same thing, but what I have done, so if you do like this, your calculations will get reduced. Okay. So what I have done, I have taken total average here. Okay. First 6 numbers average is 10.4. So it is less by how much? Less means I have written minus. How much it is less? 0.4 for how many numbers? Into 6 plus, and next 6 numbers average is 11.5. So it is greater than this. So I have written plus. So how much it is greater? 0.7 for how many numbers? 6 numbers. That will equal to middle value. Directly I am getting middle value like this. You can do previous method or this method. So previous method also don't take ABCDs. Directly you write like that. What I have written directly you can write like that, or you can do like this. This is also very effective method. Next question is, the mean of 19 numbers is 111. If the mean of first 10 numbers is 82 and that of last 10 numbers is 129. The mean of first 10 numbers is 82 and that of last 10 numbers is 129. Find the 10th number. Now here see, same thing, same model. Total how many numbers are there? 19 numbers are there, 19. If the mean of first 10 numbers is given something and the last 10 numbers. So first 10 numbers and last 10 numbers. Total how many numbers are there? 20 numbers. Here only 19 numbers. So one number will be repeated. Now again I cannot write ABCD. Again if you take ABCD, if you solve them directly you will get. But instead of doing directly I will write now. So before that problem I explained how to write ABCD and take that values and subtract, you will get directly. So now I will write directly. So the average of 19, total 19 numbers are there. First 10 numbers is 82 and last 10 numbers is 129. Here 10, 10, 20 numbers, this is greater than this. So that then one number is automatically repeated. So directly I will write first 10 numbers. So first 10 numbers, average is how much? 82. So sum, what will be the sum? 10 into 82. Last 10 numbers is, last 10 numbers, what is the average? And last 10 numbers is, average is how much they have given? 129. So I'm writing average. Numbers into average, that is nothing but sum. Numbers into average. So this minus total sum. What is total sum? 19 into average. So 90 into 111 to get the middle number. Okay, middle number. So middle number is equal to 10 numbers into average. 10 into 82. This is 10 into 129 minus total average. Total average is 111. So total sum minus 19 into 111. So what I will get here? 10 into 82 is nothing but 820. Next 129 into 10. It is nothing but 1290. Next minus, what is the value of 111 into 19? So 111 into 19. What is this? So 111 into 19. 9 ones are. So 119. So directly multiply this 190, 111 with 20. So what you will get? So 111 you multiply with 20 and subtract again 111 directly you will get. So it will become 2220 minus again you subtract 101. So this value is nothing but, so this is 9, this is 1, 1 minus 1 this is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, so 2109. Or if you multiply this you will get that value only. So 2109. So I will add these two numbers. So what I will get? 1290 plus 820. Okay, 1290 plus 820 minus 2109. So 1290 plus 820 is nothing but 9 plus 2 11, 8 9 10 11. So it is nothing but 2110. 2110. So this minus 2109. So what you will get the value? So what is the value here? 2110 minus 2109. So the 10th number is 1. So if I take this minus this is nothing but 1. Okay. So I will tell one more method also to do this problem. Okay. I hope you understood this because these numbers are repeated. So what I am doing, I am multiplying this number with this average, this numbers with average. I am getting sum. Next this numbers with average I am getting sum minus total sum. Total sum is 111 minus 90. Whenever the number is repeated, you multiply these numbers with average, these numbers with average by total sum. So if you multiply and solve, you will get this value. You will get the middle value. Now I will do in another method also the same problem. Now for the same problem, I will tell you one more method also. So just now the mean of 19 numbers is 111. If the mean of first 10 numbers is 82 and the last 10 numbers is 120, find the 10th number. Now see this 10 numbers average, first 10 numbers, mean means average, that we know. First 10 numbers average is how much? 82. Okay, total average is 111. So what I will do is, I will take first total average 111 from this. So first 10 numbers is 82, average is 82, this total average is 111. Is it less or more? So this is less, 82 is less, so I will take minus. How much it is less? So 111 minus 82, it is nothing but 29. Yes, 111 minus 82, it is nothing but 29. So 29 into how many, for how many numbers? Into 10 numbers, so I multiply with 10. Next, and that of last 10 numbers is, what is that average? 129. So that last 10 numbers average is 129, this total average is 100. Is it more or less? It is more. So if it is more means I will take plus. How much it is more? This is 129 minus 111. So how much it is more? 18. Okay. So 18 for how many numbers? For the 10 numbers. So multiply with 10, then I will get middle value. Okay. So what I am taking total average from this. First 10 numbers average is 82. This total average is 111. So it is less. I am taking minus sign. How much it is less? 29. So I am taking 29 into how many numbers? 10 numbers. Next average is 129. So it is greater. That's why I have taken plus. How much it is greater? It is greater by 18. So I am taking 18 into for how many numbers? 10 numbers. That is equal to middle value. If I solve this, this is 111. Next to 229 into 10. It is nothing but 290. Next to 18 into 10. It is nothing but 180. This is nothing but middle value. So this is 290, 111 plus 180. 111 plus 180 is nothing but 200, 280, 291. 291 minus 290, you will get middle value. So 291 minus 290 is nothing but 1. That is a middle value. You can do like that or you can do like this. If you do like this, the calculations will get reduced. No need of multiplying with big numbers. So here what I am doing, I am taking differences averages. I am writing total average. Here differences averaged into that number. This also into that number is equal to middle value. If you do like this, you will get directly. Both are same only, but calculations get reduced. Okay.